Hello guys, welcome back to our new video, and this video I will show you how to recharge your VI SIM using the VI app. First of all, open your VI app. Here you can see the option recharge on the bottom side. Tap on the recharge option. Here you can see all the packs, the recommended packs and hero unlimited packs and data only packs and unlimited packs and combo others international roaming. Here you can choose all the packs in VI recharge option. Choose any of the pack and tap on the buy option in it. Here you can enter your UPI ID and tap on the pay option. Then the ID is entered into your payable platform and where you can pay the amount. By doing this, you can recharge your own SIM cards using your own VI app. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.